Hi guys, welcome back to Laila's home cooking, and on today's episode I want to show you, this is especially actually dedicated to the kids that are home right now in Mauritius during the school holiday. And I'm gonna show you two milkshakes that is so easy and quick, gonna be ready in just about 2 minutes. And it is just ice cube, vanilla ice cream, whole milk or full cream milk liquid, strawberry syrup is too broad, vanilla bean paste, this is pure vanilla bean paste, coronation milk, a bit of sugar, and also this is whipping cream. This is a same exactly recipe that I used for my genoise cake, so you can go ahead and get that over there, and or you can buy your own, but homemade is the best. So to my blender goes my ice cube, sugar, coronation milk, whole milk. This is actually strawberry and vanilla bean milkshake, and the second one will be Oreo and chocolate. And to that, my pure vanilla bean paste. I'm just gonna add a teaspoon. This will yield about 2 glasses. My ice cream. Okay, so now I'm just gonna cover and then blend this on actually on really high, the maximum. Okay, so that was 2 minutes, and 2 minutes is enough. And now get this out to my glass. All I'm gonna do is just drop the syrup around your glasses just to make it a little bit fancy. Add your milkshake. Don't fill it because I want to add a scoop of vanilla ice cream on top. Just like so. And then I'm gonna top it with my whipping cream, and again some strawberry syrup, and that's it. It's a mess, but you won't believe me until you try it. This is so delish, not only for kids, adults will love this too. So that's the strawberry one, and now we're gonna move to the Oreo and chocolate milkshake. Ingredient for the Oreo and chocolate milkshake is some Oreo cookies. Some of them are whole and some of them I have crumbed them. Ice cube. This is chocolate syrup, whole milk liquid, coronation milk, my whipping cream again, Oreo ice cream. And again, to the same blender, I'm gonna add all my ingredients. Milk, coronation milk, ice cream, and I'm gonna add only four Oreo cookie, and I'm not adding any sugar to it because Oreo cookie already sweet. For my vanilla bean and strawberry milkshake I did add sugar a little bit, but not for this one because this is sweet enough. And now all you're gonna do is just blend. Alright, so we are done, and we're gonna do the same in the glass, but this time this is chocolate syrup. Just drop it again, a little bit fancy. Kids gonna love this. And now you're gonna add your milkshake. Again, don't fill it. Top it with whipping cream. Okay, that's enough cream, and now you're gonna top with your Oreo cookie crumb. Actually, I'm gonna put this in the middle and the crumb one on the edges, and some chocolate syrup around, and also, and that's it. Hope you like these two milkshake. Try this. The kids and adults gonna love this. Get the full written recipe down below in the description box, and I will see you next time. Bye.